Dre the Truth, Dre and V-Dog,
All eyes on me.
Machiavelli the Great.
All eyes on me.
We gon' get live. Let's get live.
You know what?
Serve it.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, are you still down, nigga? Holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally freed me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by.
Y'all still got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many fake rapping thugs trying to see like us, even be like us. Copycats, fake banging, lying to the kids about some gang that they claiming y'all wannabes. Far from OG, see my hood was my father, so A-double-O-D. My reputation is legendary, explode when necessary. Sporadic, my category, my energy's mandatory. All eyes on me.
From my block to your hood, let's get things understood. All eyes on me. I can show you how to ball. I can show you how to do it all. All eyes on me. On me. On me, yeah. On me, on me. All eyes on me. On me. Yeah. On me, on me. All eyes on me.
Bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us.
I've been royalty to these streets, y'all ain't know. Utilize my precious time, stay in hustle mode. Make a living, write rhymes, got game to be sold. No time to rap lies, let the truth be told. I'm the voice, thug message to the underprivileged. Please believe it if I started, then Jizzle gon' finish it. Y'all half-assed it, I want 100% it. I don't want your chick, but if she choose, I'm a sinner. Now put that on your Twitter. Next to your picture with your shirt and belt that glitter, I present myself to get it. Success, no limits. I live a life of a thug rider until the day I die. I can't help that I'm motivated, forever energized. Dedicated to make it high, no music, no life. Even haters love my energy. It's my time right now, make history. All eyes on me.
From my block to your hood, let's get things understood. All eyes on me. I can show you how to ball. I can show you how to do it all. All eyes on me. On me. Yeah. On me, on me. All eyes on me. On me. On me, on me. All eyes on me.
As I ride, pay you homage, rest in peace, Machiavelli. They say the rap game dead, ain't selling, so I tell them. Where did they get a load of me? I came to explode and resurrect these streets single-handedly. A sight the whole industry been missing my chemistry musically, cause usually cookie cutter, copycat, whack, cliche rap. Hip-hop need discipline across the whole map. Let's get the game back right. Gave my life to this mic. Could never work a 9 to 5. I'm alive and I'm the light. You should admire my grind and aspire to shine. So when my riders mention me in penitentiaries, as I succeed this victory, all eyes on me.
You got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us.